Okay, so that was the semi-quaver version there. Now I'm going to move up a gear and I'm going to play twice as many notes in this version as the one I just played. As you remember, with the triplet version, we started off with 3 notes a beat, then we moved up to 6. On this one, we started with 4 notes per beat, and now it's going to be 8. So what's going to happen is it's going to be exactly the same exercise, but it's just going to go twice the speed. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Etc. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it with the backing track, and you can hear what it sounds like.